Hello everyone, this is Teacher Ladin. How are you all? Oh, what's that? What can you see? Yes, these are letters. And do you all know that? All the letters makes different sound. So, today let's learn about letters and its sound. But before that, let's play one game. Hide and seek. Are you all ready? Oh, I love playing hide and seek. But I cannot see anyone. Let's find. Peekaboo. Uh-oh, I think I saw someone hiding behind an apple tree. Who's there? It's a letter A. Letter A. And letter A makes a for apple. Now let's find another letter. Where are you? Where are you? Peekaboo, I see a round one. It's a letter B. It's a letter B. And letter B makes B. 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 B for ball. B for ball. Excellent. Now we found letter A and letter B. Now it's time for letter C. Where are you? Where are you hiding? Peekaboo. Oh, I can see somebody hiding behind that car. And it's letter C. It's letter C. And do you all know that? What sound does letter C makes? Let me tell you. K. K for car. K for car. Excellent. Now let's find letter. What comes after letter C? It's letter D. Oh, I found you, letter D. It's a letter D. And D makes D. D. D for duck. D for duck. Very good. Now let's find the last letter for today. It's letter E. Where are you? Ah, I see you. It's letter E. It's letter E. And letter E makes E for egg. E for egg. Can you all repeat after me? E for egg. Good. So did you all had fun playing hide and seek and learning letters and its sound? Very nice. I really had a good time. Now, before leaving, let's all revise one more time all the letters and its sound. Letter A makes A for apple. A for apple. And letter B makes B for ball. B for ball. And letter C makes K for car. K for car. And letter D makes D for duck. D for duck. And letter E makes E for egg. E for egg. Very good. I'm really proud of you. So keep on practicing. Bye. See you all next time.